This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning thoroughly. Degrease with acetone and remove rust so the etch bites evenly. Once clean, mask off any areas you do not want etched using vinyl or acid-resistant tape. Press edges tight. Make sure to work in a ventilated area and don chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection. Prepare a plastic tray sized for the tool and mix ferric chloride or ferric nitrate to manufacture a concentration. Do not guess ratios. From here, you're ready to place the tool into the etchant. You now immerse the mask tool in the etchant, fully submerged and supported. Start a timer immediately. Once in, agitate the bath gently every 5 to 10 minutes to prevent uneven attack and gas pockets. Maintain the temperature recommended by the chemical. Too warm speeds attack, too cold slows it. Make sure to check progress visually at frequent intervals. If using a stencil or brush for detail, work in short bursts and rinse between passes. Once desired depth is near, remove and rinse to halt action. After removing the tool, rinse under plenty of running water and neutralize remaining acid with a baking soda solution. This stops etching and protects the metal. Once neutralized, dry completely and remove the mask. Lightly sand or polish to reveal clean edges, then apply a protective oil or coating to prevent flash rust. If the pattern is blotchy or too shallow, you can remask and selectively re-etch. If over-etched, restore geometry by careful sanding or filing and then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.